Hello, my name is Tressie George. I'm a Florida property damage attorney. Today, I would like to chat with you about 3 things to know about property insurance claims and Florida's matching statute. But before I get to that, if you know any homeowners, business owners, or property owners that would find this video useful, please share it with them. Okay, let's chat about 3 things to know about property insurance claims and Florida's matching statute. Number 1, in the event you have damage to your property and it becomes necessary to replace or repair items and the replaced items do not match in quality, color, or size, your insurance company is generally required to make reasonable repairs or replace items in the adjoining areas to achieve uniformity. Number 2, the matching statute can come into play when dealing with tile roofing materials that are no longer manufactured, matching flooring that is the same throughout the property, and other similar scenarios. And number 3, it is always a good idea to have any estimate received from your insurance company reviewed by a professional to make sure that matching items have been accounted for. Also, it's important to understand that everyone's situation is different, so there are times that the matching statute will not apply to your claim. Now, in the event you are dealing with a denied, delayed, or underpaid insurance claim, or you have questions about Florida's matching statute, and you would like to chat about the same, you can schedule a free consultation with me at TressieGeorge.com. And again, I would like to thank you for taking the time to watch this video.